yahluleka ukuthi ibe constant imagesi ukuthi izolibamba ubilimaka ibhola emuva malifika esiswini bazohluleka ukushaya amaphasi li-interceptwe kalula ibhola isiyahamba isiya attack iPirates yabo and ubeyimisele ngokwinquma imagesi umfukeni shaya assist lapha nolibamba ibhola waliphasa lathola abani i-striker lapha uMbuthuma lakhala nethini zabopha ipoki lasuka ibhola
9 minutes njalo la
9 minutes 9 nakhona futhi ibe khona i-attempt ebeyi offside ubona ukuthi hayi la kuzoshuba angazi noma kona ngezwe ngazathi khona ucoach waye right for imagesi ukuthi yenzakalani because le bengiyibuka namhlanje cha isazoba ukudla kwenduku
lo umjidelo wafena imagesi phela imagesi ayipromotiwa ngithi yapromote yafika yashaya iPirates yashaya iSundowns kwi-final eKhaleni then after maybe 6 or 7 games they let him go so and I thought lo mjidelo uzobuya yabo because iCV yakhe sithe ukuthi but after that like yabo then enye into engiyibonayo Chiphezeze bakhetha ama games asazi noma bekuyi protest le for coach ukuthi coach abamfakanga ebhenchini